Okay. What'd you say? Jingo's Crackers? Okay. This is Lucy doing an imitation of Papa first here.
Yes, Tom. That was fudgicle. Yeah. Yeah.
No, are you?
Now, what if he pretend Papa takes the fudgicle and it drops on the floor? Go ahead.
No, get another fudgicle. You did that on purpose, didn't you?
Does he ever say Jingo's Crackers?
Jingo's Crackers. Stop yelling at me, Nana.
Okay.
Nah. We're not gonna start all over. Nah.
Do Grandma?
Why did 5 or 6 or 7? I don't know. It's because 7, 8, 9.
What would Grandma say to that? Okay, so say that.
Oh, jeez. Now can I do an invitation of Grandpa?
Sure.
Go this way, go that way. That is journey imagination. This way is to the bathroom. This way is to Nemo. And this way is where I'm going to be working right now. That way is bathroom now. That way. No, that way. No, that way. No, that way.
Is he confusing all of the guests?
About when he has to stand in front and say, "We're closed."
We're closed, and this way is dream imagination, and it broke down. Lucy, Lucy, this way is the Space Mountain.
Now, what about Auntie Laurie?
I'm eating turkey like, yeah.
Very good, honey.
Auntie